Hello, I'm Mr. Jacobson, and I'm always trawling for swatches. Today we're looking at the GB156, or 12 Apostles swatch, which was a special made in 1994 by the artist Mark Kostabi. Mark Kostabi was also known for making artwork for Guns N' Roses that they used on their albums. Let's just free it from its prison and take it out and have a look. Currently, this watch doesn't have a battery, but I've confirmed that it is in full working order. Here's a quick view of the back of it. This watch is in pristine condition and is practically unused, or unused. You can see it. I think it's extremely underrated in its design, and we're going to go into that a little bit later. But for now, just take a look at the strap, and the dial, and the gorgeous colors. Note the black and orange at the end. Close up from the back, you can see that the gorgeous checkered strap is intermittently see-through. So let's move in for a close-up. I bought this watch mainly for its popish colors, but when I looked at it more closely, I could see the brilliance of the artwork. There are 12 heads on the dial, and they're all in different colors, and they're all expressing different emotions. The minute hand is green, the hour hand is red, and the second hand is yellow. The heads return on the strap, and they go all around your wrist. And that makes this watch fantastic in virtually every single angle you look at it from. Overall, the artwork reminds me of Dark Deco, which was the animation style of the original animated Batman series. It's difficult to capture the airbrushed effect of the artwork on camera, but if you look closely, you can see the shadowing and the different nuances. It's really quite eye-catching. Despite the fact that this watch has some happy and bright colors, I'd say this is a perfect watch if you're in need of some contemplation or philosophizing. So what does it look like on a wrist? Again, my wrist is 19 centimeters or 7.48 inches or 0.000944 furlongs. The case width of the watch is 34 millimeters. The case height is 39.2 millimeters. The case thickness is 8.75 millimeters. Oh, what the hey, let's put it on. It's a perfect watch for a white shirt. And since it's a swatch, take a look at this. Pop. A watch you can wear for any occasion. Truly. Magnificent. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mr. Jacobson. Have a nice day.